Naira and Ishan are playing in Naira's bedroom. They are making a house using building blocks. Naira, I think this piece will fit here.
Oh, yes, I think so too. We are making this house from so long and it is still not completed. This is very hard to finish. Let us just play with something else.
No! Ria, we are about to complete this. Come on, help us to complete it.
Okay.
Finally, they made the house using blocks. They are very happy.
Yay! We did it!
Wow, children! All of you look very happy.
We made this difficult house. We did it!
That is great. I'm so proud that you tried and worked hard to make this house. Come, let us celebrate.
Yay!
What do you want to eat? Ice cream or brownies?
Ice cream!
Come, let us go to the ice cream parlor.
Everyone is enjoying their ice cream.
Children, are you all happy?
Mom, what is happy? I heard you use this word so many times.
Naira, happy is an emotion. When you feel good about something, it means you are happy.
Oh, really?
Yes, Ria. Okay, some time back you completed a difficult activity, right? How did that make you feel?
I felt good. It was fun using the blocks.
That is nice. That is happiness. You could make a house which was challenging.
Yes, Mom. Now I want to make more of such objects using building blocks because it made me so happy.
Children, that is what being happy is. When we want to do something that makes us feel good, we want to do it again and again. For example, you feel happy when you are playing with your friends. You feel happy when your dad plays with you. You feel happy when grandma reads a storybook to you or when grandpa takes you to the park.
Oh, like now, we are all happy because we are eating our favorite ice creams.
Yes, Ria, exactly. When we are happy, we smile a lot. We laugh. We giggle. Some even dance in happiness. Some sing when they are happy.
Wow, Mom! I remember smiling whenever you make delicious food for me. When Dad takes me to the beach. When Neil helps me in doing my homework.
I am happy to know that all these things made you happy and that you were smiling. Seeing you happy makes everyone at home happy, Naira.
Auntie, thank you for making us happy by getting us our favorite ice cream.
You are welcome, Ishan. Children, you know, being happy is always good. But you should remember to make others happy as well.
Just like the way you always make us happy, Mom.
Yes, I like making others happy. It makes me happy.
Yes, Auntie. My mother and my father always get me my favorite things. They play board games with me. I play cricket with my father and it makes me happy.
My parents too.
Also, sometimes just smiling at someone makes them smile too. So, always keep smiling and make others smile.
This is a very good idea, Mom. It is so easy to make others happy.
That is great. I am so proud of you all. Oops! Children, it is getting late. We should go home now.
Yes, let us go.